Hi all, welcome to my channel, and in today's video let's talk about the introduction of Excel and its basis. So in the upcoming videos we will be discussing about how to do formatting and how to work on formulas and how to add pivot tables and so on. So let's jump into the video. So what is Excel? So as you have heard about Excel everywhere and in every industry and everyone are using Excel. So what is Excel? So Excel is one of the spreadsheet program which helps user to organize, format and do calculate on data. It is also a part of Microsoft Suite. So as you can see, this is an Excel sheet. So it is a new Excel sheet which I'm showing you for this video. So first let's come from the left top corner. We have file, home, insert, draw, pay, layouts and so on. So these are called tabs. So in the previous version of the Excel sheet, we will be calling it as a menu bar, but here we are calling it as tabs. So the new feature is we can customize the tab, we can remove the tabs, we can add the tabs, so and so on. So that is why we are calling it as tabs. And below the tabs you have the list of options available for the tabs and they are called as ribbons. So below the ribbons we can see a small box with a drop down is called as a name box. So name box, it will give the location of the cell where our cursor is currently right now. So as you can see now my cursor is on B2 cell, it is showing B2. If my cursor is on some other cell, we can see the name in the name box which is G4. It is G column and a fourth row. So that's why it is the name box. Next to the name box is a formula bar. So basically formula bar will show the entire formula, but in the cell we can see only the result. So I'll give you an example. Let's say we are summing up two numbers 1 plus 1, so equal to sum of these two cells. So it gives the result in the cell, but we can see the entire formula in the formula bar. So that is why we are using a formula bar. And when we come down we can see tabs, right? So it is nothing but sheet. If you give a plus sign, it will add one sheet, it will increment the sheets. So that is why we are using the plus sign. For on your right bottom corner you can see a scroll bars. So scroll bar, we have two scroll bar, one is horizontal scroll bar and another one is a vertical scroll bar. So this one is a horizontal scroll bar and this one is a vertical scroll bar. So horizontal scroll bar will help you to navigate from left to right or right to left from the Excel sheet, and a vertical scroll bar will help you to navigate from top to bottom or from bottom to top. So that is why we are using the scroll bars. And here we have a zoom option, it will helps you to zoom in and zoom out the entire cell. So it will just zoom in and zoom out the cells, not the Excel sheet. So that is a point here. And on the top right corner you can see we have minimize, maximize and a close button. And in the middle you can see the name of the Excel sheet which we are saving in our local or in our desktop. So here I have saved this Excel in a name of introduction about Excel. So that's why the name, file name will be appearing on the top. And we have columns, rows are called as cells. So B, C, D, E, F, G are called as columns, and these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are called as rows. So if you select the column header, it will select the entire column. If you select the row header, it will select the entire row. So what is workbook and worksheet? What is the difference between an workbook and worksheet? This entire Excel sheet is called as a workbook and this individual sheets are called as worksheets. So workbook is nothing but the collection of entire worksheets are called as a workbook. So yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.